Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting Delaverse AI agent that can supercharge your social media strategy. The Social Sentiment Analysis Tool. What's it all about? Imagine turning the buzz of social media chatter into crystal clear insights about how people feel about your brand, products, or campaigns. This AI agent uses AI to analyze sentiment data, spot trends, and even send you alerts so you can act fast. Whether you're in marketing, customer support, or data analysis, it helps you stay ahead of public opinion, protect your reputation, and make smarter decisions, all without the hassle of manual processing. How to get started in Delaverse Playground. Fire up your Delaverse Playground. It's your creative hub for building these powerful AI agents. Log in with your active account, then hit Create New Project and give it a fun name like Social Sentiment Magic. From there, you'll drag and drop nodes onto the canvas to build your setup. No coding required. It's as easy as snapping together building blocks. Breaking down the key pieces. Let's walk through the main components that make this AI agent tick. Data Grabber, Google Sheets or API node. Start by pulling in your social data. If you've got a spreadsheet ready with sentiment info, like tweets or comments labeled positive, negative, connect your Google account and point it to your sheet. For real-time vibes, hook up an API from your social sources. Just add the URL and your secure token, and it fetches fresh data automatically. AI Brain, AI Assistant node. This is the star. Feed your data to the AI, pick something powerful like GPT-4, and give it instructions to dig into emotions, trends, and themes. It spits out easy-to-read summaries, like, hey, excitement is building around our new feature. Test it with a sample to see the magic happen. Report Builder, Google Docs node. Turn those insights into polished reports. Link it up, choose a fresh doc, and let the AI craft formatted write-ups with headings, highlights, and recommendations. It's like having a personal analyst writing pro reports in seconds. Alert Sender, Telegram node. Don't just read, get notified. Set up a Telegram bot, super quick via @botfather. Pop in your token and route reports straight to your team's chat. Perfect for instant updates on sentiment shifts. Autorunner, Trigger, or Scheduler node. Set it to run on autopilot. Schedule daily checks or trigger it on demand, so insights flow without you lifting a finger. Tracking and insights at a glance. The real power shines in the analytics. You'll get breakdowns of sentiment scores, positive, negative, neutral, trend spotting over time, and even early warnings for brewing issues. Why is it valuable? It shows you exactly what's resonating with your audience, helping you tweak strategies before problems snowball. Picture a dashboard view via your reports, revealing 80% positive buzz last week. Time to lean in. Unlocking the benefits. This isn't just data, it's your edge. Marketing teams refine campaigns to boost engagement, brand managers nip risks in the bud, and support squads solve pain points early, saving time and headaches. Data whizzes get automated reports, freeing them for big picture thinking. Plus, proactive alerts mean faster wins, like turning negative chatter into positive turnarounds. It's all about gaining that competitive advantage without extra effort. Why you'll love it and next steps. With social sentiment analysis, you're empowered to listen, learn, and lead with data-driven confidence, all transparent, automated, and tailored to you. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to actionable smarts that grow your brand. Ready to build? Jump into Delaverse Playground today. Connect your nodes and watch the insights roll in. Share your wins in the community. We can't wait to hear how it transforms your game.